Well, hello everybody, and welcome back. Basically the last one you saw me planting the Kelsey onions, and this is just an update. I think we planted them on the 6th. It says on the 6th, so I think it's about the 11th or 12th. And as you can see, this one, lots of the seeds have already germinated. They're just about sort of into the loop stage here, so that's quite good. So we planted 4 trays of them. There's another tray there. You can sort of see that they're coming up all over the place, which is good. These 2 trays here are a little bit slower. I can definitely see one here and one here, but I can't see any others there at the moment. But some of these are really well done and some are only just started, so I'm going to leave that for a while. But today we're going to be potting on our Cumbrian leeks, putting them into pots. So we basically just do a couple of them, show you what we do. We've got our Yorkshire Blues over the back here. They're all doing quite well. I do love these little plant supports. They're like a little plastic clip. And you just say, plant your plant, put it around there and put it around there. And it holds the plant in place. Quite a nice little plastic clip then. I found them on the internet the other day, and I ordered myself 60 of them, and they come from Elixir Garden Supplies, in case you want them. Plant support clips, 50 of them, cost £8, so that's not too bad really. So we've got our Cumbrians here, and it's I'm going to pot these on now. I mean, they're lovely looking plants, look at them. Really nice root system. So I'm going to pop them in these plants, same as I did them a couple of weeks ago, and they'll be alright for a couple of weeks, just to bring them on a bit. I'll put them in here for now. But I'm hoping to get some really nice big show leeks this year out of these. Try not to damage any roots when you put them in, because obviously they need all the help they can get. Now see, these are a little too small at the moment for these. Wow. Maybe not too small, but they are really. Oh. Trying to move the ring up before it is ready. So there you go. And obviously as the plant grows, you just move that up the stem. But that's just for general demonstration really. Obviously once I finish these, I'm going to water them in. Now look at the roots on that. That's amazing, isn't it? I mean, that's nearly as thick as a pencil already, that shaft. But if you don't get it done now, you're going to be behind. Look at that, see? All planted at the same time. Some as thick as a pencil, some really tiny. But I can see the old boys down the shows are going to be worried this year. We're going to get in early and get in some super leeks and some massive Kelsey onions. I mean, really, I was a little bit late, I think, in planting these. I should have planted these in October, not in November. But we shall see. We've got the grow lights up here. I don't know if you can see them or not, but I turn these on around about 5 o'clock when it's getting dark, and I leave them on till 8, so I give them another 3 hours of daylight just to get them going. And obviously because they're in the conservatory, They're, oh, that's a bit bent there, that's not really much good for the show. You know, there's no sign of frost. I don't think I'll even bother planting that one. Looking good. But these are only about 6 weeks old at the moment, so they're not too bad. I suppose there must be 12 weeks, and obviously these are only just a week, so these are going to romp away. That's a lovely root system, isn't it? Look at that. I'm just planting these in Westlands Black's Magic, nothing special. Oh, look at that, where's that come from? A little old snail in there trying to eat my show leeks. You're dead and you are. I'll sort you out later. Just as well we decided to do these today, because it would be sitting in there all on its own, hidden away, eating the leek roots, and I'm wondering why they're not to be growing, wouldn't I? Little beauties, aren't they, eh? Right, so these are the Cumbrians. I've got the rest of these to do. I shall, there's only a few more there to do. I've got my Yorkshire Blues. I'm actually going to put these into a bigger pot. Just what you know how to do it. You put one pot inside the other, fill it up, and you take the whole pot out and just pop it in. But that's going to do for today. Happy gardening, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.